Namaste, I am Manjula and welcome to my kitchen. It has been long time when I last made video and honestly I have been missing. My kitchen has been too quiet, almost wondering where did she go. Cooking has always been my passion. Since childhood I loved helping my mother in kitchen. She used to tell me your main ingredient is your smile. And she was right. For a while, I felt maybe I had done enough videos. How could I stay away from something I love so deeply? Cooking and sharing. Over the years, you have become my extended family, creating dishes with me, supporting me, and inspiring me. So today, I am happy to say I am back. I want to keep things simple and fun. I will be sharing quick and delicious recipe for anyone who wants to eat homemade food without spending hours in the kitchen with clear and friendly steps. Your ideas, comments, and encouragement have always guided me. Truly, you inspire me more than you know. I can't wait to cook with you again. Stay healthy and stay safe, Manjula.